Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by installing and signing in so everything syncs. Open the store, install Microsoft 365, and sign in with your work, school, or Microsoft account. Grant calendar, contacts, and storage permissions so the app can access files. Once done, make sure background app refresh and notifications are enabled. This keeps documents and alerts current. If you use a company tenant, accept any multi-factor prompts or device management requests so you can access shared files and Teams meetings without interruption. Now dive into the core workflows. Open the App Hub and pick Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook. Tap OneDrive to browse recent files and folders. Use autosave so edits are saved instantly. To edit, tap the pencil icon, choose mobile layout, and use touch gestures to format. For collaboration, tap Share, set permissions, and invite collaborators. You'll see co-authoring cursors and comments in real time. Make sure to switch between editing and view modes to prevent accidental changes while reviewing. Finish by reviewing autosave status and confirming your final version in OneDrive or SharePoint. Export or share the file when ready. Close apps you don't need to free memory, and verify notifications and sync settings so changes propagate across devices. If sync stalls, pull down to refresh, switch networks, or toggle airplane mode briefly. For stubborn errors, sign out, clear app cache, and reinstall. This often resolves permission conflicts and authentication loops, so you can get back to work quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.